So welcome to my video of a quick unboxing and reaction to the classic Ripley watch. This is the reissue version, but interestingly this is a limited edition version. You can probably see the green and orange components there. That's the SCED049, which was linked to the Beams chain of stores over in Japan. So yeah, I've been super excited about opening this watch, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do consider liking and subscribing if you're minded to do so. Enjoy the video.
Okay, the signs are looking positive that it will come today because we got an email.
So it's arrived, me and FedEx are friends again. So here it is, finally arrived through FedEx. Address removed obviously, but yeah, super excited about opening this one. So, that's the tape off. That's out stuff. Then that's the main bit open. Come all the way from Japan, this one, through various places. Pretty cool. Japanese box. I'm expecting that this is going to come in the Seiko Beams box, so we'll see if it still does. Japanese packaging. Seller's done a nice job of making sure it's very well packed. There you go. Oh, it looks like it's going to come in a slightly... Sorry, not the Corona. Green tinged box. And there it is, with a little note. Oh, it does. It has the Beams Seiko, which I believe is like a kind of retail outlet over in Japan that seems to do a few various fashion things. So yeah, they seem to get their hands on a few of these types of things over in Japan. So there you go. I'll get it open. Now this is very sweet. They left a little note in here saying, "Arigato, thank you very much. Paper crane is a symbol for good luck and peace, or good fortune and peace." How nice is that? And a little crane. But here's the fun bit, actually getting the box open, so let's have a look at this. So we've got the Japanese instructions. Some tissue paper. Some extra links, I think, which hopefully means they've taken some out already, which would be amazing. There we have it. Looking forward to getting this one open. So here it is. So cool. With the Giugiaro kind of asymmetry of those buttons there. Over on the side, and the kind of green. It's looking just as cool as I'd hoped. Fortunately, it's looking, we might be good on the wrist size because I think they seem to have taken a few links out already. So let's give it a go. And the back is looking really nice as well. Not too many scratches. So you can see Giugiaro, Seiko, water resistant to 10 bar. There's the original Spirit Smarts tag with the SCED049 reference. So there it is, just as cool as I'd hoped it would be. Check it out, love the bracelet as well. Unfortunately, still a little bit too big, so I'm going to have to make the bracelet resize attempt. Wish me luck, but I'll just quickly get the chrono going and see what that looks like. There's your chrono. Very nice. Again, this is a quartz movement still, not automatic, but I think that's pretty cool, to be honest. So this is just as difficult as advertised. So you need to get your little tool into here and give it some absolute welly to get these out, and then you plier them out. And that's only halfway. Look at some of the damage I've already done trying to get this one, which I think is a bit knackered. Hard work. There we go, I successfully got this absolute bugger out, which is one of the hinges. So nearly there. Oh my lord, that was a massive effort, but got there. Thank the Lord for having this kit, because I had to get a new spring bar because I dropped it on the floor, down one of these floorboards. Error. But yeah, God bless having these on site. And there it is, properly sized for my wrist. And I'll get the chronograph going. There you go, chronograph going, but then I'll show you the sweep. How cool is this? Whoa, cool. So there you go, I'll get some photos, stick them up on the Instagram, but there you go, there's my quick reaction and long bracelet change for the Ripley SCED049. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do consider having a look over at my Instagram at watchreactions. And also, if you enjoyed the video, please do consider clicking like and subscribe. It just helps provide a bit of stimulus to keep these things going. So have a great day.